He's like, oh, HellCat? I'm like, sometimes. I just call it Beerus. Guess I ain't got no choice but to be rich.
Isn't this the one that won over there in San Antonio? On turbo, right?
Nah, we just did a little 750 glass.
That's where you keep your beer, right?
It's just nitrogen.
It still passes inspection.
I think I can take you. Better think twice, bitch.
Okay, so we're here at HMP. This man is running 900 plus horsepower, and it doesn't even sound like it. It just sounds like he's just coming to watch. In reality, he's gonna make some people cry.
Hopefully it's not me. Don't fuck the car.
Here, I don't know. You need this one too? No, sir. You'll give that one to the tech barn.
I guess.
It's right over there. That little house right there.
Oh, over there?
Yeah.
Alright.
This thing is just quiet. 900 plus horsepower. It's a little sneaky. You have to get out.
I have to get out?
Yeah, you have to do all the signing in there. Let me get out so I can get a wristband because I'm gonna be recording Mr. Cameraman. This car is really gonna surprise a lot of people. Can I get a wristband?
Sir, what are you doing today?
Yeah, chilling. 900 plus horsepower.
976.
It's like you can't, there's like trucks out here, cars out here, loud as making a show, and his car is just here to have fun. You got Thanos and Dragon Ball Z. Goku. What you got on your arm? What is that?
Dragon Ball Z.
Dragon Ball Z.
You say HellCat? I didn't. I'm looking for that home. I ain't here. On the track.
You'll be surprised.
That's my baby right there.
HellCat with a, should I tell them? Should I tell the audience what it really has in there? Or should I just the demon motor in there? But no, what is it like? No, it's a demon motor with a HellCat pulley, right?
HellCat transmission.
That man's just cruising. He's cruising for some bruising. But I mean, a HellCat, right? And the motor's a demon.
Yeah, motor's a demon motor.
And the supercharger's the HellCat.
HellCat.
I was kind of like, yeah, I got it right the first time. But yeah, sir, you're in the wrong lane. That's the fast lane right over there.
You need to get where you need to get.
Huh?
Said you need to get where you need to get.
Or you should just f with them, you know? Just be like, nah, I'm not really. It's all right. It's not that bad.
I'm just gonna be like, it's just. He's like, oh, HellCat. I'm like, sometimes. I just call it Beerus. That's what I told that guy. He's like, is that a HellCat? I was like, sometimes. I just call it Beerus. He said, Beerus?
Yeah, the cat. Special event today or something?
No, we just did a little 750 class.
I got a friend of mine that's pushing 900 plus, and it doesn't even sound like it's pushing 900 plus.
See here?
Yeah, it's not gonna be a truck.
No, we're doing a little 750 class just to kind of get people wired up for our
brought the
event
truck. Not no amateur night. I really thought it was. I don't know if these trucks are playing 1,000 something, but they're fast, they're boosted, nitrous, everything. Turbos, superchargers. Yeah, today's no joke, guys. Today's a competition.
Huh?
Today's a little competition for nothing but some nitrous, turbo trucks and all that crap.
That's it?
Yeah.
She
Supercharged.
timed them. They're running 7.43 in the 8th mile.
Yeah? How much do you think you're going to be pushing?
I don't know. That car's done a 9.6 quarter.
Oh.
Half the time? 5, 6?
Probably going to be fun to watch that.
See what it does. See if it hooks.
See if it hooks, yeah. Damn. I wish I brought my truck. Crocodile tears. I see a lot of people doing that right now.
Really cold.
Yeah, right.
Tank. It doesn't
Huh?
do anything special.
What?
So it's a nitrogen regulator for a nitrogen tank. It's just nitrogen.
I wonder what would happen. I don't know. I don't know nothing about this.
It still passes inspection.
Yeah, this thing is gonna be lit. You ready?
I ain't got no choice but to be ready.
Moment of truth. Damn, he had a late start, but he still got it. We need this man's feedback. That was ridiculous.
Hey, field champ.
It's spun.
I know.
He spun, but he still got him. Like as soon as you were in front of the camera, that shit put like a meme. This is when he knew. He fucked up. Get
4.6.
My reaction was 461. I let off of it before I
Is
passed
it?
under there. I got out of it before I passed even underneath the finish. I was like, he's already behind me, so whatever. I know. I wish it would have hooked.
That's the one that won over there in San Antonio? Yeah, right? I was right. This one won, and it was in San Antonio, and he was the one that won.
Suitcase turned it up.
Hell yeah. Alright guys, this time we're going to be in the...
No, I just pushed the gas pedal down.
I think this guy right next to you will give you a run for your money. I like a little bit of trying to make the video sound a little more flavored. Twin turbo, right?
Left 026 on the left. 096 on the right.
Turbo.
Turn the AC off.
I think he has twin turbo. I heard twin turbos. You just got these tires, huh?
Yeah, they're brand new.
Alright, here we go.
I don't know where the line is for this.
You just gotta. There you go. Yeah, he has turbos. You gotta give it a little bit more in front. Go a little bit more front. There you go. You're good. You're spinning us. Damn.
hard.
Yeah, he spun hard that time. Whew. Them G4s though, still badass.
I can let some pressure out of my tires.
Oh, some air. We don't got an air gauge though.
Huh?
We don't got it. Oh yeah, you got it on there. You think so?
Tried that before? Oh, I know so. He tried that and it went real fast. And it still said like 32.
What the hell?
And then it was at like 14.
Nah, it was pretty. It was. That one was worse than the first one.
Yeah.
It spun off the line and then just kept spinning.
Yeah.
You're gonna do one more, right?
Without those drag radials on it, it's not gonna hold.
No.
I mean, this is good for the street on a roll, but
You know, count the Mississippi's. 1, 2,
So you
3.
tell me when you start and then I'll do the 5 and then I tell you to stop.
Oh, so that's what you use your emblems for.
Stop.
Yeah, that's the one that won. Damn, that truck gave it all it's got and he still lost. He gave it all he had. Ah, really? Really? Oh wow, he won! Some stripes. Whoever, if you own the stripes car, I'm sorry. It was a happy.
Sorry, not sorry.
Yeah.
24, 25.
Put in more air. What?
It was 24 and 25.
Put in air more? Hey, it says no parking.
parking today
You happy about this win?
it was a little bit better.
Yeah. You saw your competition.
Yeah, maximum.
Alright guys, well I guess this is the last race of today. Hopefully you guys liked the video. Like and subscribe, turn the bell notification on, become part of the legacy, and I'll keep on pushing, making some more content for you guys to watch. Hope it wasn't that much truck, but yeah, it was pretty much truck content too, so yeah. What'd you say?
767, 106. But it's still spun. Still haven't been able to hook.
You are pushing 900 plus. I mean street radios.
Bring my drags.
So
Oh well.
I think this still will win.